Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Sulo Zom, which is an Amazon brand. Their striped long sleeve. Comes in all sorts of different colors, but I chose the blue and the navy one. It's a V-neck, which matches the lines, which is cool. It's a little bit off the shoulder, as you can see over here. The sleeves look like this. And then the back end looks like this. Front and back are the same. It's a little bit see-through, as you can see. Let me go ahead and try it on and see what it looks like. The V's actually frame you nicely. You can have it like a little bit off-centered, or you can center it a little bit more. I think a little off-centered is kind of cute. Put a little belt to give it a little bit of shape. At the back, looks like this. And over here, as you see, off the shoulders a little bit. Even though the fabric is see-through, you can't actually see anything. So that's nice. I like that when it's like a little bit see-through, but you can't actually see anything. If you tie this a little bit, I think it could be kind of cute shape to it. And then maybe a little bit off. So there's different ways that you can wear it that will make it really kind of speak to your style. So for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment what you think about this sweater, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!